everyone, and welcome to my cruise channel. Today we're going to talk about cruise technology and what you'll need. So, as we know, going on a cruise takes a lot of preparation, some of which involves technology. Some technology you will need actually even before the cruise. Here's an overview of what you might need. So your first piece of cruise technology actually needs to be in place before you even board the ship. After you book with your travel agent or the cruise company, you'll likely need access to a computer with a printer. Not only will you be able to check in using the computer before you leave, but you can also print out any cruise documents that you may need, such as like boarding passes or plane tickets, things like that. Now, arguably you can get these things on the cruise app, but technology, let's face it, doesn't always work as expected. So to have more peace of mind on embarkation day, it can be helpful to print those documents out and keep them on your person or in your carry-on when you board. You'll also likely need access to a smartphone or tablet. Many cruise lines such as Princess, Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, Carnival, and MSC all have apps that you can download to keep up with what's going on around the ship, as well as your bookings, shore excursions, and even making reservations. Some cruise lines such as Royal Caribbean and Celebrity even allow you to do the muster drill within the app before you board the ship. Some cruise lines will even let you use the app to keep in touch with your party while on board for free or a small fee. While many ships have an onboard IT support team to help assist passengers with issues, it's not a bad idea to familiarize yourself with the app before you board. Many times the lines for support can be long, especially on embarkation day. So by experimenting with the app before you board while you have a strong connection, you'll avoid many potential navigation issues. Since you'll likely want to remember your cruise, you'll also want access to a camera. Many smartphones have this option built in. However, there are circumstances that may warrant a standalone camera. I, for example, love to snorkel, so I have an underwater camera to take pictures of the fish that I see. For those of you that, like me, like to zipline, you may want to invest in a GoPro or other active camera if the zipline company allows you to take videos while on the excursion. I usually invest in a chest strap for my ziplining so that I know that my camera is secure. You may also want to check with the zipline company to see what their protocols are. You may also want to test your equipment before you go so that if there's any issues, you can get immediate support. So there you have it. Those are my tips for technology that you might find useful on your trip. Seasoned cruisers, do you have any technology that you take with you on your trip? We would love to hear from you. And as always, bon voyage!